Welcome. If you want to show your date of birth to your followers on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the latest update. First, open your browser and head over to X. Once you're logged in, look to the menu on the left side of your screen and click on your profile. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and more. Next, find the Edit Profile button, usually located near the top right of your profile page, and click on it. This will open up the editing options for your profile details. Scroll down until you see the birthdate section. Click on the birthdate field, and then click Edit again when the pop-up window appears. Here, you'll see options to adjust who can view your birthdate. To make your birthdate visible to your followers, start by selecting the month and day section. Click on it and choose your followers from the list of visibility options. This means only people who follow you will be able to see your birth month and day. Now, move on to the year section. Click on the year, and once again, select your followers. This ensures your birth year is also only visible to your followers, keeping your information shared just with those who follow your account. Once you've set both the month and day, as well as the year, to your followers, don't forget the most important step: click Save to confirm your changes. Your profile will now update, and your followers will be able to see your full birth date right on your X profile. That's all it takes. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your special day with your followers and let them celebrate with you. Go ahead and update your birth date on X today, and make your profile even more personal and engaging.